Hello, my friend. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel today. We are diving into Transformer Hash of the Peaks, uh, movies that expands the Transformers universal in exciting new ways. Rather that simple constant the story of out of the Autobots. This film introduction an entirely new fashion known as the Maximal, opening the doors to IMAX uh, Larker May to Loki Village with ancient secret, powerful palace and new heroes. Set in 1994, the movies capture the atmosphere of the sets through its music, fashion, style, and city life. This nostalgic setting gives the story a fresh identity with serving as a bridge between Bumblebee and even the as eventually shapes the future of the Transformers franchise. One of the film brigades string is in the front focus on retrievals, mm, human capture instead of playing target, then leave heroes at the center of the story. Its introduction ordinary people was course instead uh, they they extraordinary is human tension. The first major character is Noah Diaz, a young man crying the waves of supporting his family. Life has been ace for him, and every decision he makes is driven by his to take risks, makes him a compelling protagonist who really uh, earning the audience sympathy. This character is Elena Wellesley, and talented museum researcher with a deep passion for history and archaeology. Allstocks here acknowledged in embrace she often toward discovery that connects humanity to an ancient conflict far beyond anything she could even imagine. Okay, wait. While the human story is unfolding and the Autobots continue adapting to live on Earth, loading them is Optimus Prime, whose responsibility extend for beyond winning battles. Okay, wait, my friend. He must protect his team, make deferred caution, and maintain hope even when the future seems uncertain. The version of Optimus show a more emotional and stock shot, making him feel more like a leader carrying the burden of every decision. Perhaps the most exciting addition to the film is the arrival of the Maximal. Unlike the Autobots and Deception, these Transformers takes the form of powerful animals bleeding advertent cybersman technology which natural inspiration design ter ancient him a Mars altern history. Um, One that strikes back long before the event audience have seen in previous film. From the event beginning, the movies establishing an atmosphere of mystery, ancient legendaries, forgotten civilization, and hidden artifacts suggest that art history is connected to the Transformers in ways no one fully understands. These mysteries slowly build anticipation, uh, encouraging viewers to keep searching for answers along the character visual. The film uh, delivers spectacular action while balancing it with moments of expression and character development instead of relying slowly on expression both styles. It also expression friendship, trust, spirit, and teamwork. These themes become the emotional foundation of the story and help this installation from early in the franchise. As the opening chapter comes to a close, all the essential pieces are in place. The heroes have been introduced. The larger war has begun to reveal itself, and the audience sensing that a powerful threat is approaching, but still remain unanswered where aliens have yet to be fully formed, and the adventure is only beginning. In the next chapter, we'll explore how the growing danger brings humans, Autobots, and Maximal together, setting the stakes for an ultra-broad journey that will test their constant loyalty and determination. Okay, let's okay, my friend. Next in chapter 2, Transformers: Rise of the Beast. Chapter 2, Expanding the Adventure. As the story moves forward, the wars of Transformers, Rise of the Beast becomes much longer that increase apart what initially seemed like uh, familiar battle. Batman got an evilly quickly devolves into an adventure villain with mystery, ancient history, and unexpected alliance. One of the most interesting aspects of the section is how the film gradually strengthens the partnership. Batman, the human character, and the Autobots instead of simple action as its character, the human becomes active participants was direction influencing the direction of the story. Their correction and resourcefulness remind viewers that recourse is not measured by shade, size, or string, but by the willingness to ICT, wins Arthur Nat Hill. At the same time, the movie expanded in mythology Thor in the introduction of the Maximal. Their vision raises new questions about the history of Cybertron, Earth past, and the existence of powerful forces that have remained hidden for generations, rather than revealing every mystery immediately. The film carefully built suspense, encouraging the audience to piece together the latter picture. Optimus Prime also continued the evolve as later his determination to protect his team is never indulged, but this chapter highlights the very visual balance but win honesty and hope. Leadership often means making it possible discussion and the film gives optimism moment. Okay, wait. Optimus Prime. Okay, next, my friend. Optimus, my friend, also constant the Everton as a leader. His determination to protect his team is never wait. Okay. The visual storytelling, this version special attention is well every new location feel distinct, blending modern kitty with breathtaking natural landscapes and extreme ruins. The environs moment create a sense of exploration that separates the film from early installation, making the adventure feel broader and more mysterious. Another strength of this portion of the movie is its packing quickly moment of character interaction are balanced with high energy action sequence, allowing viewers to connect emotionally with the character before the next wax of excitement begins. This real theme keeps the story engaged with you overwhelming the audience. The film also introduces growing sense of danger, while the heroes begin to understand the scale of the challenge. uh, it becomes clear that they were facing an enemy with enormous power and ambition. The great is present as something that cannot be overcome. Thought brute force alone successful request trust, compression, and careful planning beyond the action. The movie's approach themes of responsible and humanity character from different background, world, and expression gradually lands in the same share a common goal. This relationship become the emotional heart of the story, showing the even unlikely less can comes solidarity things when the words together. By the end of the chapter, the adventure has fully thanks of the heroes are no longer reaction to isolation even. They are no parts of a math. Another mission was outcome called Efix only leave the mysterious depend the stakes tend to rise and every step forward brings the theme closer to conversion that will test their Korkan like never before. In chapter 3, Will explain how to glowing fountain pushing every character to their limits, revealing new challenge, different voice, and the quality that's been through hers. Okay, wait, chapter 3. Okay, my friend. Next, chapter 3, Transformer, Rise of the Beast, Peace, chapter 3, Rising Stakes and Unlikely Heroes. Okay, next, chapter 3. As the adventure continues, the transition reaches evolve new level. By this point in the story, every major character understand that the conflict is for greater than anyone. Freeze imagination what also feels mysterious journey has transformed into a race against time, where every discussion carries an emotion consequence on of the strongest element of the character is the growing trust between the human and the transformers. At the beginning of the film, both sides are continue about relying on one another. However, was the first interesting diverse challenge that begins to live that success dependent on teamwork, ready and individual strength. Noah continued this trying at as unfortunately person placed in extraordinary skills to mention installation of possessing superhuman abilities. His greatest strength are determination, quick thinking, and his willingness to protect others. These qualities makes him a relatable hero, proving that courage often comes from the choice we make rather than the power we possess. Elena also becomes instruction important to the team mission. Here, intelligence, courage, and ability to connect clues from history helps to group better understand the longer mystery surrounding their journey rather than simple following the action. So actively constrained to solving problem that no one else could handle. Mainly Optimus Prime first one of the great leadership challenge of this life every battle remain him that protects his time requires more than strength alone a true leader must inspires confidence shape responsibility and something place the needs of other above his own. This emotional moment uh, add depth to his character, make his decision feel meaningful. The film also continues to expand the role of the Maximal, the wisdom, uh, experience, and Unihui perspective bring a fresh dynamics to the story. The repression more than powerful warriors, the symbol, the importance of expressing history and learning from the past. There present reason for the idea that different generation and different culture can work together towards common purpose. Visual this section delivery some of the movies most memorable moment the combination of advanced robotic design, breathtaking landscape, and fast-paced action create an exciting cinematic expression rather than relying only one. Different cultures work together towards common purpose. Visual this section develops some of the movie's most memorable moments. The combination at adventure robotic design, fixed obsession, tense relation on election only on explosion. The film balances spectry with quietly screens that allow relationship between the characters to grow natural. Another notable strength is the film expression of secretion, as the Danger creation every member of the team begins to understand the victory may gradually deeply cause the emotional tension, keep viewers invested, reminding us that every hero has something valuable to protect. uh, Hawk, his captor, themes of trust, loyalty, and unity become even more powerful. The story demonstrates that no single hero can overly messy threat alone. Real strength come from combination different skill, expression, and perspective into one unity effort. When the one of the captor, the heroes are fully committed to her mission, the mystery has grown depther, the challenge has become great, and the road hit of the story preparing this for the dramatic contestant the lead ahead. Okay, thank you very much.